First things first, I appreciate your support. I know you guys have been forcing your house helps to hand wash because you feel your washing machine has been using a lot of water lately. Electricity bill has skyrocketed and it's been hard on yourself, and it's great why you bought a washing machine. So this is a top load washing machine that was using a lot of water. Electricity bill went up and was giving a 4E error code. 4E error code on a Samsung washing machine is a water error issue. I mean, the machine detects, the motherboard, the sensor detects there's no enough water in the drum. Before I proceed, please, I don't know why you don't want to subscribe. You're new here, you've been here before, but you don't want to follow and subscribe. This is the best channel for you. Maybe you don't have a washing machine or planning to get to one. This channel will be helpful. Anyway, so this is a Samsung Eco washing machine, a top loader. Easy to use. You can even add water manually from the top. You can add soap from the top. You can easily open the door, access the drum, add garments easily without having to stop and wait for the door to open. This is one of the best machines. Easy to use, but the common problem you guys make is during installation. You see the pipe is low on the ground. So what was happening to this machine, there's something called siphoning. So water comes in and goes out. And there are two types of top load washing machine. There's one that uses a drain motor. Those that use the drain motor, even if the pipe is on the ground, water won't go out, because when it's time to spin, the motherboard communicates with the drain motor to open the drum for water to come out. So it will not have a siphoning issue. But most top load washing machine, even the front loads, they don't have the drain motor. So if the pipe is not raised, water comes in and goes out. Water comes in and goes out. So what happens is, yes, when you switch it on and select a program, water is coming in, but it goes out immediately, and to start giving you a 4E error, an IE error if it's an LG, a 4C error if it's a Samsung, meaning there's no water in the drum. And this is avoidable by doing correct installation. This pipe should be up here. The pipe should be raised. Go check your washing machine now. Is the pipe raised? It could be raised, but it's not raised to the required level, so water is coming in and going out. You won't notice this. You won't notice this. Do this. Go put your machine on a normal wash. Then go check the pipe. Is water going out? It might not be a lot of water, but it's slowly water is going out. So the pipe should always be raised. If you feel the pipe is too short during installation, do an extension. Don't play yourself, because you